Just wait till you hear how loud it is. Oh, I can't figure out how to get it off. It says clip and slide, unclip and slide. It doesn't twist. Just need to see if it's a D battery. What's a slipper? Crap. Warning, must be replaced. Oh, I need a haircut. Need to get a battery. I've got baps and I've got pastries and a savory thing too. The batteries. That was nice. My toes are all pretty now. I did get a battery. Apparently this is hardwired in here, but I got super lucky because I can reach it so easily. Oh God. I swear to God, if you chirp again, I'm taking it back off.